Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet a solid granny square. So we will start with the slip knot in chain 5. So as you can see, I am making a slip stitch into this first chain stitch. So my first round is completed. To begin the next round, I will start with a chain 3 and 2 double crochets here. So as you can see, from this round I am going to make it in a square shape. So it is very easy. Chain 2 and we will work the next 3 double crochet group. So sometimes we crochet squares when we make round first and then we create square from the round, but this is the easiest way to make a square from the first round. So I will make 3 double crochets, chain 2 and another group of 3 double crochets into this ring, chain 2. So as you can see, into the first round I will work 4 corners, chain 2 and the last 3 double crochets into this ring, one, two, and the last double crochet as you can see, then chain 2 and make a slip stitch in the top of this first chain 3. That was our first double crochet. Round 1 is completed. As you can see, this is look like a square already and it has 4 corners. Slip stitch into the next stitch, one more slip stitch into the next, and one more slip stitch into this chain 2 space. So we will start the next round from this chain 2 space, chain 3 and work 2 double crochets into this chain 2 space, chain 2. Into this same chain 2 space I will work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2. Just jump into this next chain 2 space and work 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch to make it the next corner. So we will make 4 corners like that. Into every chain 2 space I will work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into this chain 2 space. In the same way I will work into the next 2 corners. So as you can see, I have completed all the other 2 corners and then I am making the slip stitch into this first chain 3 space. That was the first double crochet of the corner. Now I will make a slip stitch into the next stitch, one more slip stitch into this chain 2 space, and I will work the same corner by working chain 3, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same stitch, chain 2 space. So into these 4 corners I will work the same 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, and into chain 2 space in between this corner I will work 3 double crochets. So as you can see how I am working, now I will work chain 2 and into the central chain 2 space in between both corners I will work 3 double crochets. So here are the places we will increase every time. Into the next row I will work 3 double crochets into this chain 2 space and into this chain 2 space that I just crochet. So as you can see, this is how it will look. Now I will crochet the corner into this chain 2 space by working 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills and don't forget to click the bell. I hope you can easily understand my tutorials. If you can't, please ask me in comments. So this is how I will work all the way around. It's very easy. If you can learn this technique, you can make blanket out of it or anything else. So this is how I will work the same and make a slip stitch in the top of this first stitch. So this is how my round is completed. So as you can see how beautiful it looks. As previous round, I will work slip stitches into the next round, so entries into chain 2 space to begin the next round. The next round will be started with the chain 3. This is the first corner, so you have to follow the same pattern in every round. So make 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. So this is the first corner, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, and then chain 2, and into this first chain 2 space I will work 3 double crochets. So the next time we will work 3 group of 3 double crochets here, because we are increasing 1 chain 2 space every time from every side in every round. So into the next chain 2 space I will work 3 double crochets again, then chain 2, and into this chain 2 space I will work the corner. Into this corner we will work every time this corner with 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. So this is how I will work till the end of this round. So you can crochet as many rounds as you want. It's very simple, so you can easily make it. My square is completed, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.